Cracking the code to become a successful notary, untold tips no one tells you. Hey! Have you ever wondered how you could potentially double your revenue as a notary public? Whether you're just starting or are looking to up your notary game, eNotary On Call has exclusive tips that will help you increase your income. So, you aspire to be a successful notary? It's more than just a stamp and a signature, it's about mastering the intricacies and becoming a trusted professional in the realm of notarial services. Tip 1: Invest in professional tools. The first tip is to invest in professional tools. As a notary, having the right equipment is essential for professional and efficient service. This includes investing in a good quality notary seal, proper documentation software, and a reliable scanner for digital copies. These tools will save you time and enhance your credibility. Tip 2: Build a strong network. Tip number 2 is to build a strong network. Networking plays a crucial role in growing your notary business. Connect with other notaries, real estate agents, attorneys, and people involved in the industry. Attend local events, join professional organizations, and utilize social media platforms to expand your network. Tip 3: Stay updated with laws and regulations. To crack the code of becoming a successful notary, you need to stay updated with the latest laws and regulations. Notary laws may differ from state to state, so it's important to regularly check for any updates or changes in your area. This will ensure you are always conducting your notary duties in compliance with the law. Tip 4: Develop strong communication skills. Communication is key to success in any business, and being a notary is no exception. Develop strong communication skills to effectively interact with clients, answer their questions, and explain complex legal terms in simple language. Clear and concise communication will earn you trust and loyalty from your clients. Tip 5: Promote yourself. Last but not least, promoting yourself is essential for success as a notary. Create a professional website, business cards, and brochures to showcase your services and expertise. Utilize social media platforms to share valuable content and engage with potential clients. Consider joining online directories for notaries to increase your visibility. Remember that success as a notary requires a blend of skill, knowledge, and strategic approaches. Keep an eye out for our upcoming videos, where we'll continue to share invaluable insights for your notarial journey. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our eNotary On Call YouTube channel for more exclusive content. Keep cracking the code to become a successful notary with us.